Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at a 1-bedroom, 1-bath manufactured home at lot B-8 in Carteret Mobile Park. Carteret Mobile Park is a land lease community based in Carteret, New Jersey. So we'll do a quick walk around the outside. You've got this gray siding and black shutters. There's still a little bit of grass seed that needs to grow in the back. This house has very low maintenance in terms of the outside. You just need to weed that stone area in the front. It comes with outside water and electric. Got that faucet there and 2 electrical boxes right here. Taking a step inside, get this really large living room. There's that ceiling fan right above. And this is your kitchen right here. You have all stainless steel appliances in this house from Whirlpool. Over here, that living room, perfectly place a dining room table or some shelving. This is your thermostat right here. And you've also got a cable jack if you wanted to set up a TV. It'd be very easy. This house has central air conditioning and forced hot air. This house is also energy certified, which means that it is extremely energy efficient in cooling and heating the house. Part of that we'll see in a moment. This is your microwave, and that is right above your stove. So you've got 4 burners on top, and then underneath you have an oven, 2 racks in there, and below you have a heating tray. You've got the adjustable shelving right here. You just lift that shelf and then it pops out and you can adjust it to whatever height you need. You also have a slow closing mechanism on all the cabinet doors. So if you slam them, they won't slam, they'll just gently close. Here you have these really nice blinds you just lift and they go up. You also have the much more premium 2-inch blinds here. Here is your farm sink. Got a extendable nozzle with 2 streams. One's a sprayer and one's just a regular faucet. Here's a drying rack, and you've got a drying bucket there, as well as a cutting board. You also have this beautiful subway tile backsplash, runs the whole length of the kitchen. And here's more cabinet space. This is your refrigerator right here. You've got a freezer on top and refrigerator on bottom. There's also an ice maker in the freezer. You've got these 2 windows in the front, and these are double thermal pane windows. They contribute to that Energy Star certification I mentioned before. This is your heater. This is responsible for the central air conditioning and forced hot air. The one thing I like about this furnace is you have the super easy to replace filters on the top. And here's your second door. This is your bathroom right here. Got a mirror right there and a recessed ceiling light. This house also has the premium option, which is the black hardware throughout. So you notice you've got the black glass doors here. Get the black faucet head handle in there. Shower is also 1-piece fiberglass and has 2 seats in there. Here's a bit more cabinetry space in the bathroom. And here is the commode. Moving on to the bedroom. Got this beautiful room right here. Got vinyl flooring throughout the house. And I will stand in the corner here so you can get a sense of depth of the room. Behind this door, you have your water heater. This is a 40-gallon tank. And to the right of that is your closet. This runs the whole length of the wall. You've got 2 screens in there as well. This comes with a pre-installed rack. And the screens are if you wanted to change out the glass Anderson storm doors that are on the front of the house into screen doors. We just have the glass ones installed because we think that it looks a little bit nicer, but we give you the option. This is your electrical panel here, and that is 100 amps, just like a regular house. Now, if you're interested in this house or any of the other houses that we have to offer, please go to www.myhomeincarteret.com. There you can fill out the pre-qualifying questions, which will get you started on the path to owning your dream home. Thank you.
This house was built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building homes in New Jersey in our 3 communities since 1954. These are Robert Dolan here is the managing partner, and you also have Xander Dolan and Patrick and myself. It's a small family business. We build manufactured homes in our 3 mobile home communities. So it's Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings. We have a fabulous crew. They've been with us a very long time, and they put these houses together very quickly. Conception and Raul are the main crew. Here's Conception. Here's Raul. We're 4 generations. The first generation has now passed, and then Robert and myself are the 2nd generation, and then our nephew and our son are the 3rd generation, and then our grandson and grandnephew are our 4th generation. We have lots of advantages to owning your own house in Carteret, New Jersey. Carteret Mobile Park is located right near the Turnpike, and on the other side is Route 9 and Route 1. We're very conveniently located. You could be in Manhattan in 25 minutes. You could take the train into from Rahway into New York City. We're a land lease community, so we provide that in emails when people contact us and answer our pre-qualifying questions. So this is our address, 1501 Roosevelt Avenue, Carteret, New Jersey, and this is our the original farmhouse in the front of the old farm, which was converted into a mobile home park. Our entrance is on Blair Road. We see everyone by appointment only. So once you make an appointment, you'll follow the signs to reach the office. You come in on this side street. This is our maintenance building, not our office. And I have signs on it to let people know. And there's little banners on the light poles to tell people how to get to the office. There's plenty of signs to show the way. This is the back part of the maintenance building, and I have a little sign there that shows that this is not the office, this is the maintenance building. So we have beautiful homes. Here's a whole series of them. It's very quiet, it's very safe. We're very proud of the beautiful homes that we build. Here's a gorgeous house, just a 1-bedroom. Here's another house. I believe that's also 1 bedroom. This one's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is a beautiful flowers in some of the tenants' homes. It just looks so pretty. Everyone takes care of their places, and it's just a delight to be here, and all the residents love it. We're really honored to be a part of making the American dream of home ownership a possibility. This was a beautiful story where this gentleman bought this house and found the American flag in the shed, and it was a very moving moment for all of us because he had just migrated from Cuba. So we get a lot of immigrants coming to us as their first home ownership, and it's such a pleasure to help them. Or downsizing or upsizing, we have all sorts of people in our community. So come join us, myhomeincarteret.com.